Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel of DCC and NIT-A. Today we are going to discuss problem on the way of day 20. If you haven't read the question, I will explain you it once. So basically you have been given an array A of size n. So let's say A1, A2, A3, AI and AN, and you can perform a certain operation on it such that you can perform that operation 0 number of times, 1 number of times, 2 number of times, or infinite number of times. But at the end you just have to make sure that the maximum element of that final array should be as small as possible. So yeah, and what will be that minimal maximum value? So you just have to output that. So what kind of operation you can do? You can choose L and R, and for every I from I is equal to 0 till I is equal to R minus L, you have to do this. Just replace AL plus I with AL plus I bitwise and AR minus I. So basically if you have been given an n is equal to 6, and your array will look like A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and A6, and if you choose L is equal to R and 6, so for every element from I is equal to 0 till I is equal to R minus L, in this case R is 6 and L is 3, so R minus L is 3, like it's done here. Okay, you have to replace AL plus I with AL plus I bitwise and AR minus I. So when I is equal to 0, you just have to replace A3 with A3 and A6, like it's shown here. When I is equal to 1, you have to replace A4 with A4 and A5 as done here, and similarly it's done here and it's here. So yeah, if you do this operation many number of times, so it's possible that there will be a case where you will see something like AI and AI plus 1 and AI plus 2. Just don't think that much about it. Just yeah, right, if you do this operation many number of times, there will be some condition where there will be so many ants of different number, and yeah, just don't think around that. Okay, so this question is quite simple if you work around this bitwise AND. So let me just explain you what bitwise AND does. So let's take a number in its binary representation. Okay, so let's say B1. Let's take a number 1 0 1 1 1 0 0. Let's take another number B2. Let's say 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0, and let's do AND between them. So B3 is B1 bitwise and B2. So what B3 will be? 1 and 1 is 1, 0 and 1 is 0, 1 and 1 is 1 1 1 0 0 0 0. So what you can observe is decimal representation of this and decimal representation of this, both are bigger than this number. Okay, so whenever you perform AND operation between any two number, the third number will be always smaller than or equal to both of them. So that was the key observation. So like you just have to work around this. If you do bitwise AND operation between any two numbers, then the third number, which is the answer, will be always smaller than or equal to the given numbers, and in which case they will be equal when both numbers are same. So like A and A is equal to A. Okay, so yeah, and you see you just have to make the maximum element smaller, right? So it's beneficial if you do and operation many times. So can you do something around this? If I give you the further implementation or logic, the answer will become obvious, so I will refrain myself from doing it. And yeah, you just have to work around this and the answer will be in front of you. And yeah, thank you so much.